Ever wondered why bespoke tailoring holds such a special place in the world of fashion? It's all in the details. This form of tailoring isn't just about a perfect fit, it's about creating an experience. From the moment you choose your fabric to the final fitting, every step is customized to your specific needs and preferences. Bespoke tailoring offers an unparalleled level of comfort and fit. Every stitch, every seam is crafted with you in mind. It's a process that combines old-world craftsmanship with modern fashion sensibilities. The result? A piece of clothing that not only fits like a glove but also reflects your personal style and taste. In a world where off-the-rack is the norm, bespoke tailoring stands as a testament to the art of personalization, where every detail matters, where every piece tells a story. Bespoke tailoring is not just about fashion, it's about expressing one's individuality through unique pieces of clothing. So how does this magic happen? It all begins with precise measurements. Imagine you're an artist. The body is your canvas, and your tape measure is your brush. You're about to create a unique masterpiece that will fit like a second skin. But before you can start painting, you need to know every curve and contour of your canvas. That's where measurements come in. Just like how a sculptor needs to understand the stone before chiseling away, a tailor needs to understand the body before cutting the fabric. Accurate measurements are the blueprints for your bespoke garment, the roadmap that guides the tailor's hands. Let's delve deeper into this art of measuring. In bespoke tailoring, it's not just about getting the numbers right. It's about understanding the body and how it moves, how it breathes, how it lives. It's about creating a garment that doesn't just fit, but also complements the body. Now, there are 3 key areas that we focus on in bespoke tailoring: the chest, the waist, and the hips. The chest measurement is taken at the fullest part, usually across the nipple line. This measurement helps to determine the width and depth of the jacket or shirt. Next, we come to the waist. This measurement is taken at the narrowest part of the torso, usually just above the belly button. It helps to define the shape of the garment, giving it structure and form. Finally, the hips. This measurement is taken at the widest part of the lower body and is crucial in shaping trousers or skirts. Each of these measurements is a crucial piece of the puzzle, helping to create a garment that is as unique as the person wearing it. But remember, these are just the basic measurements. There are many more subtle measurements that go into creating a truly bespoke garment. Remember, measurements are the foundation of bespoke tailoring. An inch off can make a world of difference. Now, let's delve into the specifics of taking measurements, starting with the upper body. Imagine yourself as an artist, and the tape measure is your brush. You're about to create a masterpiece that is a perfectly tailored garment. The canvas, the human body. And like any great artist, you understand the importance of precision. Let's begin with the chest. Use a flexible measuring tape for this. Place the tape under the arms around the fullest part of the chest. Make sure the tape is snug but not tight. It should be flat against the body, but still able to slide with ease. Remember, comfort is key in bespoke tailoring. Next, let's measure the shoulders. Start from the edge of one shoulder. Extend the tape across the back to the same point on the other shoulder. This measurement is crucial in ensuring the garment fits and sits perfectly on the body. Now, onto the arm length. Start from the top of the shoulder, down to the wrist. You'll want to make sure the arm is relaxed and slightly bent at the elbow. This allows for natural movement when the garment is worn. One vital point to remember is posture. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and let your arms hang naturally by your sides. This is the posture you should maintain throughout the measuring process. It's how you stand in everyday life, so it's how your clothes should be tailored to fit. And the beauty of bespoke tailoring, it's not just about the measurements. It's about understanding the body, its movements, and its proportions. It's about creating a garment that not only fits perfectly, but also feels like a second skin. A piece of clothing that enhances the person, not just covers them. So take your time, be precise, and remember to breathe. You're not just taking measurements, you're creating art. And that's how you measure the upper body. Next up, let's move to the lower body. Measuring the lower body can be a bit tricky, but with a little practice, you can master it. Now let's dive into the details, shall we? First off, we have the waist measurement. It's important to measure the waist at its narrowest point. This is typically located halfway between your lower rib and the top of your hip bone. Ensure the tape measure is snug but not too tight. Remember, you should be able to slide a finger beneath the tape comfortably. Next up, let's talk about measuring the hips. The hip measurement is taken at the broadest part of your hip area. This is usually around 7 to 9 inches below your natural waist. Make sure the tape measure wraps around the fullest part of your buttocks as well. Again, it should be snug but not so tight that it digs into your skin. Finally, we come to the inside leg measurement. This can be a bit tricky, so pay close attention. The inside leg measurement is taken from the top of your inner thigh, or where the leg meets the hip, down to your ankle. It's crucial to get this right because it influences the length of your trousers. Now, a pro tip here. When you're getting measured for trousers, always wear a pair that fits you well. This gives a more accurate representation of your true measurements. Ill-fitting trousers can distort your measurements, leading to a less than perfect fit. The lower body measurements are key to ensuring a good fit in the hip, thigh, and leg areas of your trousers. Remember, bespoke tailoring is all about creating a garment that fits your body perfectly. And for that, every measurement, every little detail counts. So let's recap: the waist, the hips, and the inside leg. 3 measurements, each crucial in their own way, each contributing to the overall fit and look of your trousers. So that's the lower body covered, but we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we delve into additional measurements that will help create a truly bespoke garment. In bespoke tailoring, every detail counts. That's why we also take some additional measurements. Our journey into the world of bespoke tailoring continues, and now we delve into the significance of those extra measurements that make all the difference. These are the details that transform a piece of clothing into a second skin, tailored just for you. Let's start with the neck size. A measurement often overlooked, yet crucial in ensuring a comfortable fit. Too tight and it feels like you're constantly being strangled by your own shirt. Too loose and it can look sloppy. Therefore, by precisely measuring the circumference of your neck, we can provide a collar that sits beautifully, enhancing both comfort and style. Next, we move to wrist size. You might wonder, why would a tailor need to know the size of your wrist? And here's the answer. To achieve a perfect fit for your shirt cuffs or jacket sleeves. A well-fitted sleeve ends at the base of your thumb, and the cuff should be just wide enough to slide over your hand, but not so loose that it slips down over your wrist. Getting this right makes all the difference in how your garment will look and feel. And then there's the length of the back. This measurement is taken from the base of the neck to the desired endpoint of the garment. It's crucial in determining the overall length of a jacket, coat, or shirt. An item of clothing that's too short can make you look larger than you are, while one that's too long may make you appear shorter. Therefore, taking an accurate back length measurement ensures the garment is balanced and proportionate to your body. In bespoke tailoring, we don't just measure, we understand your body, your style, your comfort. We pay attention to every single detail, however small, because we know that it's these little nuances that make a big impact. With these additional measurements, we ensure that your bespoke garment fits like a glove. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to taking measurements for bespoke tailoring. Whilst it may seem like an intricate process, each measurement we've covered plays a pivotal role in creating a garment that fits like a second skin. From the upper body to the lower body to those additional measurements, every inch matters. Precision, as we've highlighted, is paramount. A single misstep in measurement can be the difference between a suit that fits like a dream and one that falls short of perfection. It's these meticulous measurements that ensure your silhouette is enhanced and your style is personal and unique. Moreover, it's not just about aesthetics. Accurate measurements ensure comfort and ease of movement, making your bespoke garment a pleasure to wear. Remember, in the realm of bespoke tailoring, measurements are not just numbers, they are the blueprint to your perfect fit. We hope you found this guide to bespoke tailoring measurements insightful. If you're as passionate about fashion and perfect fits as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more tips and insights to share with you. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested. Remember, the perfect fit is just a measurement away. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Until next time, happy tailoring.